Welcome! I'm Dr. Isabelle Chase, a dentist at Boston Children's. We're happy to see you. I'm going to show you what will happen when you come to Boston Children's for a checkup and a cleaning. I'll show you what to expect when you arrive, what happens when we examine and clean your teeth, and how we might take a few pictures or x-rays of your teeth, and how at the end of the visit you'll get a gift from us. Are you ready? Great, let's start. First, when you enter the waiting room, your family member or friend will let us know that you're ready for your appointment. It won't take too long. We'll also ask you to hold out your hand so we can put on one of these bracelets. That's just to let everyone know you're our special guest today. After that, you can sit down, watch TV, read, or play with some toys you brought from home until we're ready to see you.
Hi, Carla. You can follow me. How are you doing?
When it's time, we'll walk you out this door, a little bit down this hallway, and into this area right here. This room is one of our exam rooms, where you get to sit back on this big, comfy chair. The chair is a lot of fun. Look how it goes up and down, and even backwards. I wish it could touch the ceiling. Now this big flashlight over the chair lets your hygienist, the person who will check and clean your teeth, and your dentist better see your teeth. It won't be too bright because you'll get to wear sunglasses. You can even choose from a lot of the cool styles we have. When we come into the room, we'll be wearing goggles, a doctor's gown, and gloves, and a mask. We wear these to keep you and us safe from germs. You might also see or hear us helping another child on the other side of the room or down the hall. All right, let's check your teeth. See this mirror? We'll put that into your mouth for places that are hard to see. This will go so easy. And see this? This is our tooth counter. If you like, you can touch it so you'll see how gentle it will feel in your mouth. Hygienists and dentists will slowly touch each of your teeth with the tooth counter. We're just looking to see how clean your teeth are. And we're counting to see how many teeth you have. How many do you think you have? As we do this, you might get more saliva or spit in your mouth. So once in a while, we'll use this little straw. I like to call him Mr. Thirsty. It will quickly suck up all of the spit and also the bubbles from the toothpaste. We'll also clean your teeth with a toothbrush or a spin brush, kind of like how you do at home. You can choose what toothpaste flavor you want. Do you like bubblegum or mint? We might also take a picture of your teeth. It's called an x-ray. X-rays don't take long. It'll be really easy to do. And if you want, I can show you your picture on my computer when we're all done. When it's time to take an x-ray, we leave the room just for a few seconds to press the button that will take the picture. We can have fun with that, and together we can count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And you're done. At the end of your visit, the dentist will let you know how your teeth are doing. And after that, you get a goodie bag and we'll fill it with a new toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. You'll even get stickers and a small toy. You've earned it. And that's what happens when you have a checkup. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see you.